Medical research, the final frontier of innovation and discovery. These are the journeys of St. Joseph's researchers. Their continuing mission to uncover the origins of disease, to create technology that pushes the boundaries of care, to revolutionize medicine that will save lives, to boldly go and do what no one has done before.
Some of the brightest minds work at St. Joseph's and Lawson Health Research Institute in London, Ontario. In collaboration with Western University, we drive medical innovation and transform healthcare here and across the globe. What was once considered impossible is now within reach. Arthritis is a leading cause of physical disability and pain in Canada. Joint replacement can dramatically improve someone's life, but they can fail. At St. Joseph's Roth McFarlane Hand and Upper Limb Center, we are using 3D printed joints to create a fit that lasts. Our research is exploring technology that tracks the use of implants and fights infection with a click of a button. We are boldly going toward a future without arthritic pain. 1 in 10 Canadians suffer from kidney stones. The pain is excruciating. Using fruit flies in our labs, we are studying microbiomes and probiotics to prevent kidney stones. This work will also help NASA scientists prevent the formation of kidney stones in astronauts. Our research could help humans explore space for longer and healthier periods of time. We are boldly going toward a future without kidney stones on Earth and in space. Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia affect every family. We are using imaging technologies to better understand this complex illness, to identify the onset of the disease before symptoms emerge, to differentiate who's at risk or who's not, and eventually slow or even stop its progression. We are boldly going toward a future with an effective treatment for Alzheimer's disease. An aging population and rise in lifelong illnesses is causing a demand for enhanced imaging, surgeries, and specialized treatments. Virtual reality could dramatically improve how we provide care. We can identify disease sooner and with greater precision, train the next generation of surgeons and imagers, provide therapeutic treatments for those experiencing mental illness, and change the way we care for our patients. Our research will uncover new ways to use virtual reality never tried before. We are boldly going toward a future of new possibilities and life-saving treatments. With your help, we can invest in innovation and discovery that would otherwise not be possible.
I'm William Shatner, inviting you to help St. Joseph's explore new frontiers in medical research that leads to improved diagnosis and care for you and your family.